Businesswoman shot and succumbed to injuries in Spalding, Clarendon home invasion. Husband escape unhurt. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Spalding police in Clarendon were kept busy on Wednesday night after they responded to a call of a shooting incident in Cumberland District, a community located near the town of Spalding. A businesswoman succumbed to injuries Wednesday night after gunmen broke into her home in a home invasion with her and her husband in Cumberland District, Spalding, Clarendon. The husband fled during the incident and was not harmed, the police said in a statement. The deceased woman has been identified as 42-year-old Melissa Claire Wright. According to police report, about 9:30 p.m., Wright and her husband were at home when gunmen broke into the dwelling. It is reported that the gunmen demanded money. When their demands were not met, it is reported that they shot Wright in the head. Her husband fled into bushes and was chased by the gunmen but was not held. The police were summoned to the scene and rushed the businesswoman to hospital, where she was admitted but later passed away. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast and our current affairs program, Let's Talk. Thanks for watching.